Hello there and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers, and with me today our legal expert Gary Bruce. Gary, thank you so much for joining us today.
Good to be here.
Well, we're here to talk about a hot topic in Columbus, and that's part of what we want to do with these segments and
Right.
Each and every Wednesday. And this one is the tax freeze. We've seen the signs everywhere. Keep the freeze, thaw the freeze. I was just talking before we went on camera. I've gotten paraphernalia from both sides in my direct mail and such. So tell us from a legal standpoint, what happens if one or the other gets voted? I don't understand.
I don't come here as a spokesperson for either side.
Okay.
I don't really have, I haven't figured out how I'm going to vote.
Yeah.
But I do think some of the threats and warnings are maybe a little misplaced. I think it's regressive in its in the way it's been set up. It's been here since '82 or '83, right? So that's before my time in Columbus. I came here a little after that, but I've never understood it. But you know, I understand how people get peace of mind from it, and that's kind of the argument I see on one side. Peace of mind. I'm not worried about somebody arbitrarily raising my taxes.
Right.
But that's what the courts are for. I haven't lost confidence in our court system to challenge that kind of inappropriate behavior. The other side says it's if we pass it, you can't grandfather in certain taxpayers. I think in the proposal that those who have a freeze stay frozen until they sell, and then they
Right.
go into the big pool, and eventually one day we'll all move out of our homes and it'll be normal like the rest of the world.
Right.
So, and the threat is, well, that's unconstitutional based on an equal protection clause argument. But the equal protection clause doesn't apply to taxpayers unless we discriminate based on a certain demographic, sex, nationality, status, that kind of legal status, you know. So
that's for something separate
it's
than the equal
something
protection.
different.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not a constitutional law expert on this issue, but I don't see where that applies. We have pretty responsible people in Atlanta who have said this will pass constitutional muster. I don't see the constitutional issues. Is it going to be litigated? I can almost guarantee you that. But is it going to withstand constitutional challenges? I think
Right.
it probably does. So then it comes down to how do you want to tax? And I guess that's the question. I wouldn't worry too much about what might happen. Anyway, I hope we can do something that's fair for everybody.
Right. And so vote, vote your conscience.
That's right.
Vote what you think is right. Do read the information. And
Please
if you
do.
need more legal help, Gary Bruce will be able to help you. So thank you so much for joining us on Legal Break, Gary. And we look forward to seeing you on the very next one.
Thank you.